how to delete a record from MongoDB using microservices. So far we have seen get mapping, post mapping, put mapping. Now we are going to see at the rate delete mapping, and you are going to write the path is delete. Now certain record you need to delete. So for this you need to understand one ID value which is very unique in the records. So here you can see this is a one ID and this is another ID and this is a Peter is one ID. So in MongoDB everything is treated as a one ID value. So if you want to delete any record based on ID, you need to delete. So that ID you need to pass in our code. So ID like this, left parenthesis, right parenthesis you need to add. Now you need to give public and response entity, string type, and delete, and at the rate path variable you have to give, and string ID. Now we can give system.out.println inside delete method. So this log will be helpful when you are running the program. Now repository dot delete, you can give delete by ID. So delete by ID you can give delete ID. Suppose if this delete is not taking, change to delete by ID. Now return you have to give same only, return. So object deleted successfully. This is how we need to give. That's all. We have done everything, and now we need to start the server. We need to test it. So this one you need to understand delete mapping, and one unique ID you need to pass. Then it will, by repository it will be deleted. Now I am going to start the server. I hope I have completed everything. Now server is started at 8043. Go to postman. Here list of students 3. Now I am taking this record ID and I am going to delete, and this path is delete and ID value. ID value is this one. So delete is capital D or small d, so capital D, and root map is root path is student. So here student delete. Now we are having 3, it will become 2 after execution, and if it is success it will say deleted successfully. See, object deleted successfully. Now go and see console also. You will be able to see inside delete method, means it is working fine. And same record you can come here again, a get mechanism you can search list of students. Earlier 3 records were there, now it is 2 records only. And for your DB verification, go to MongoDB. You will find only 2 records. That's it. We have successfully completed delete operation. So far we have seen, with this session we have completed get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, delete mapping. That means one CURD operation successfully completed using microservices. With these operations, we are successfully connecting with MongoDB. I hope you understand this delete. This is about delete mapping. Thank you.